from the Penn Libraries.
So next up is Joe Schaffner. He's going to be talking about Canvas groups and Canvas Etherpad.
Hi everyone, my name is Joe Schaffner. I'm a courseware support librarian here at the University of Pennsylvania, and I work extensively with Canvas. So I've been asked to present on two different topics today. The first is Canvas Etherpad, or Etherpad in Canvas, and the second is Canvas groups. We are going to start with Etherpad. So basically I'm going to give you an overview of how to set one up in Canvas. So Etherpad is very similar to Google Docs in that it allows you to create documents that your students can edit together in real time remotely. The process for setting up an Etherpad is fairly simple. The very first step is to just click on collaborations in Canvas. The second is to fill out the Etherpad form, which asks for a title, a description, and you also can select the people who you want to participate or to use this particular Etherpad document. From there, your students or users access it through a link that has the name that you've given it. Once this happens, users can click on that link. They edit the Etherpad using different types of editing tools. It's very similar to Microsoft Word and other types of word processing editing interfaces. There's color coding, which indicates who is writing what. There's a key in the upper right corner of the screen that shows whose colors are connected to which text. There's also a chat tool that allows users to chat in real time. Another neat thing, I apologize. Another neat thing is you can look at past versions of documents in Etherpad. The way that Etherpad does it is they count a version by the character that you type. So in this particular example, there are 122 versions because there are 122 characters. I have the ability, or users have the ability, to scroll or to click back to see previous versions. And you can also export to various using various options through this interface. You can also, export earlier versions if you want. So it's a little bit of information about uses. We've seen it used for copying and pasting lecture notes. It's great to just share agendas and bullet pointed lists with your students. It's also good for using sort of like a online whiteboard if you wanted to share information with your students in that way. And you can even set up an Etherpad as an assignment if you want. In Canvas. A couple of things to note. Etherpad has a limited span for each individual document. So for instance, if the pad has less than 20 revisions, it's deleted 2 weeks after it's the last time it was accessed. 50 revisions, it's 2 months. And then more than 50 revisions, it's kept for 12 months after it was last accessed. So deletions happen because Etherpad is a free service. Another important thing to note is that anyone with a link can view and edit a pad. It's not like Google Docs where you need to authenticate using your Google account information. The final thing, actually, at the very top, is that all pads have limits of 64 users. And it's not recommended that you have more than 12 users using Etherpad simultaneously because it slows down. Thank you. I got through it, though. Thank you.